We've just been repositioning the resident. We've raised the bed up and everything's been working, and then we've been pushing the buttons too many times. Somehow this hand control's jammed up and the bed's not going to do what I finally want it to do. How can the caregiver fix this problem? Number one, I probably could ring maintenance, but they're busy. Can I do something myself? Yes, you can. What we need to do is press all 5 buttons, all the 5 blue buttons. So 3 fingers on one hand. So 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2. All the blue buttons are now covered. Press. I will hear a little click, click from the motor. Once that goes click, click, the hand control is ready to be used again. So now I can use the functions on the bed.